So it's Sunday. I'm here listening to some music randomly. I have placed an like music chair here next to web. And yeah, just a nice day. Sunny outside, bit wet roads, but yeah, it's all good. This is how it looks from the outside building, and we have Kulturspils and this establishment. I think it's a nice place in these crazy times that they make something for people to enjoy a little bit. Culture. Yeah. By the way, my last delivery was to these buildings that you can see, like the new high-story buildings. And yeah, all of the people that I have delivered there have been really like friendly and really nice. So it's a really cool place to live, I guess. So yeah, waiting for my next order. Oh, it just arrived. The view from Urciem's 12th floor. This is what happens when you listen to the navigation too much. Yeah, I have walking navigation set in Google Maps, and she was like, yeah, it will be fine, go there, no problem. And this is where I ended up now. I have to go back and try to get out of this mess. But all good, just some adventures. I think this is also quite a nice place to live. Here, here close Yesterdays. A lot of shops, a lot of people. Some tennis courts, big park. Looks like maybe from some of them you can also see the sunset. Like, yeah, this would be a really nice place to live. Just because the shop is so close. I think that's such an extra to have Rimi nearby that you can just walk out with your slippers and go to the store. Yeah, some of those apartments would be cool. So you can see the sun going down. I'm not sure if you can see from the top floor the sun going down. If the building's not in the way. But yeah, maybe it could be a nice apartments next to Yesterdays tennis courts. Rimi over there. Yeah. So maybe. Oops. Maybe this can be an option also later on for rent. So yeah, 9 orders delivered today, so that makes the total of 50 deliveries this weekend. So that's quite good. I slot into some bonuses with the food delivery company, and yeah, right now we'll just go visit a friend. Just have to make this trip over this bridge and we will be fine. That is the river of the launch fields. On the other side, there's some down somewhere there. This is the castle for the president. Where the president has his. So back on my duties again. Oh, this looks so nice. Like this is close Old Town, so you can see the Freedom Monument. Nice picture. Going over this. So yeah, looks like this will be my 12th order or something like that. I don't know. Still feel some energy. Why not make some more orders? Looks like the deliveries are coming in like a lot, because every new delivery is already like minus 12 minutes. Like the food is ready and already waiting there. So I'm trying to like move fast, move quick. Can I make this replay? Okay, I can. So I'm using this clip as an option to do a voiceover, because it was unusable because of the crazy wind that was in this part where I was riding. So just a quick summary, like in the end I did a few more deliveries. In the end it was like totally of 16 deliveries today, something like around 80 kilometers ridden. So during this week I did approximately 450 kilometers with the bike. So yeah, quite happy with that, and that's about it. I have nothing more to say. I just want to say thank you again for watching and wishing you a good day. Ubu signing out. Peace.